Greetings to you all. So in the last video we did some addition and multiplication. So in today's video we're going to be doing subtraction and division, and this is going to be our goal for today. We need something like this for today. So this is going to be our inventory. So we are going to know how many kgs we have total in our inventory. So to do that, you're going to go to our My Farm Records and you're going to add a new sheet. After having added a new sheet, as you saw here, we had inventory from the other side. Inventory, then here inventory, feed, quantity and balance. Feed, quantity, balance. So here we have layers mash. Spelling it right. So how do we get the layers mash? Simple. You're going to do our usual multiplication, but you're going to refer to the data we have in the first sheet where we bought the thing. So we shall put our equals sign, come to our farm feeds data. Remember we bought 50 kgs sacks, and then shift 8 to multiply with the quantity of them we bought. So here we are having 5,000 kgs of layers mash. Broilers mash, and we have equals. Then we go to our first sheet, we come here to broilers mash. We bought 100 sacks, 100 kg sacks, then shift 8 times 50 of them. So we also have 5,000 kgs. We have pellets. We have equals. I'm going to go back to this. Let's have 25 kg sacks. 8 here we are doing some simple revision, and we multiply. Then we have maize. K equals, got back to farm feeds, bought 100 kg sacks times 50 of them, which is going to give us 5,000 sacks, 5,000 kgs. So in order to add our custom, remember these are in kgs now, everything has been converted to kgs. In order to add our custom unit of measurement, is going to be kgs. We shall select the cell for B, come here, then go to more number formats, then we go to custom and come to general and put 0 is going to represent our data. Then we put a small space, open quotes, and we put our unit of measurement, and boom, our kgs will be added. So you see we have 5,000 kgs, and this, as you've seen the other side, let us increase its size like 22. We merge and center, change the background to be supposed to be orange. Then this is supposed to be white, so I'll change white from. I think we are good to go. Then this is also supposed to be in somehow blue. Then we make them white also. You can make them bold also. Then as per this, you can see they have all borders. How do we add the borders? We select everything and we come to here. As you see here, when you click this arrow, they are border lines. So we can say all borders, put all the borders around. So everything now has a border. So that is good. We have finished this our quantity. Excuse me. And then go back. So we are going to put this data in date, category, chicken type, number of crop. So we're going to capture this data. Simply I can just copy this data here so that we can be fast. I've done that. I've selected the data with that white cursor. Then I utilized Control C to copy. And then I'm going to go to my other sheet, which is this, and I paste here so that we can be fast. So it has copied with the formatting. So if yours didn't copy with the formatting, leave them as they were so that we can do the editing together. So I remember our date today is in the month of December 2024. So let's say category. Remember, every farmer has the way he mixes his feeds on the farm. That is his secret. See that his poultry looks healthy. So we refer to this as type 1. Type 1 in our sheet here. This is type 1 and it is for the layers. Type 1 for the layers. The number of housing we have, number of crop we have for these layers is 45. Here 45. So in the layers, the feed is mixing layers mash. Layers mash and pellets to make his secret formula. So he's using 700 kg and 200. So you can put any kgs. He's using 700 to 20. Remember, here also is supposed to be in kgs. How do we do that? Select the column where they are. Come to here. Go to more number formats. Custom. Change this to 0. Put a space. Then put this kgs. You're good to go. So if they can't fit, remember the drill, just click there. So as you can see, this is occupying 2. We are going to merge them, and keep that in the center. Also here it's occupying 2. We are going to merge and center, then also keep it in the center. Remember also this is occupying 2. Shall merge and keep it in the center. So this 45 is occupying 2, shall merge and keep in the center. Also here merge, keep the results in the center. Also here merge and keep results in the center. So as you can see, we are going to get equals 700 plus this kg of the pallet. So the total is having 920. So here, how do we get the number per crop? We have added, so we're going to divide. It's going to be equal to this total divide by, which is the button next to the right shift. Before the right shift, then we're going to divide by 45. That's how we do the division. Once again, excuse me. So remember, this is also in kgs. So I'm going to come here, the drill we did before, very fast. Specific custom, change this to 0, put a space, put our units of measurement, and boom, we're good to go. 20 kgs. So next also there was 12/06/2024. This was type 2. Type 2. I think this was made for the broilers, right? Yes, broilers. Broilers, and it has 20. So broilers was mixing 3 types of feed. Was mixing broilers mash. And then he was mixing maize bran and pellets. So how many kgs of this did he mix? So he mixed 300, 600 and 100. So he mixed 300 for broilers mash, broilers mash 600, 300 and 100 for pallets, right? Hope I got that right. Yes, though my order is not the same as the way he did it. So after that, we need to make this the same. Remember the drill center. When put our equals, this plus this plus this, which is F13, give us 1000. So I'm going to merge center this and give it equals this, divide by this. Okay, I need to format this first. This merge and center, merge and center also this, trying to do it as fast as possible. Also this merge and center, and the date merge and center. Okay, good to go. And then here we can go ahead with our division on this, divide by this. Good to go. So we just remaining with the formatting. This was in brown, dark brown, which looks like this, if I can recall well. And the color was white for the words, then had some special formatting, so it didn't have all the lines through. As you can see, we're going to maintain the same formatting. As you can see, there is this line, this, not all the way through. So we're going to do the same. So we're adding only the bottom one. So it shall come here instead of all, we shall put the bottoms. And also here we shall put the bottoms. And these also, this one we shall put the bottoms, and also these ones we shall put the bottoms. And on this also, on this, and this. Then with here I will do that in the center. Yeah, the bottoms we're going through otherwise. Also these ones have bottoms. These ones have bottoms and left and right, so I'm supposed to add right, and also this one has a right. So this is how basically how it is. So now we are going to do the subtraction. So remember, this is layers mash. We shall say equals from layers mash, which is this. Then subtraction is that button before the equal sign, minus this layers mash, which will give us that. Then for the broilers mash, we shall do the same. Broilers mash, this minus the button before, minus is the button before the addition sign, and the equals, so minus the broilers mash, which is this. Then for the pellets, remember I have 2 times, so I'm going to do this, then put minus. It is always good to put the ones you want to add in the brackets, so that the format looks nice. So we know this minus, remember the pellets were mixed in the layers and also on the broilers. We add, then we close our bracket, we are good to go. Then the maize bran to this minus this, which is that. So basically that's how we do addition and subtraction and add, make our custom formatting. As you can see, this doesn't fit, you just need to double click here and it will automatically fit. I think we have achieved the goal we needed to make this simple formatting, do the addition and subtraction. Now we've added on more division and subtraction. We did earlier multiplication and addition. So basically that's what we wanted to cover today. Hope we were able to attain our goal for today, which was to come up with this. Yes, with this. Hopefully you have been able to gain something through the video. So let us meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.